I know I usually do my iOS, well, my beats on the iPad, but today we're on the iPhone, and today we're using FL Studio Mobile. I don't understand how I slept on this for so long, but this is a great software. And in today's video, I'm going to show you why I like this. And I'm also going to tell you things that could be improved on it, which is very little things. It's crazy because it's little stuff that could be improved on, but it'll be like the biggest changer. So, you know, if you might find this interesting, roll with me. I'm about to play this beat right quick, and yeah, we're gonna go through all of this little stuff. I'm gonna show you how I sample, fire little sample beat. I'm gonna show you how I did the you know, the drums. I'm gonna show you how I did the 808 and all that type of stuff. But anyway, yes, I'm in a hotel room. I'm in Houston, and I'm traveling, and this is very random, and I'm just doing this right now. So let's keep it going, baby. Okay, all right, and that's the beat right there. Me personally, I really think that's pretty good. And to say this is my first beat that I made on FL Studio Mobile, I feel like that good. But anyway, besides the point, I do use my iOS-based music software, but I really know how to, you know, I come off FL Studio and like a machine and Logic. Like I can really get down on the CPU. So to see, the thing is, to me, I like how the iPad or iOS, you know, just apps in general, it consolidates a lot of information. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it makes everything, you know, simple almost. Like, you know what I'm saying? And like that's what I like about this stuff. Because, you know, sometimes, and I could, you know, it really don't matter, but see, basically, I first started off making beats on my iPhone. I could probably show you some beats that I made on my iPhone, on iMachine. I'm very hurt that app has been discontinued and no longer useful. But that's my whole thing. The like how everything consolidated and it's just real simple. You know what I'm saying? Real user friendly, and it still teaches you by you using these apps. You still learning the basics. Like I'm talking about like the very basics of music production, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying, it's very minimal, but you still learning though. That's what I like about it. And also, you know, when you don't have all of your tools, you have to think outside the box. You know what I'm saying? When you don't have access to all of the effects, when you don't have access to everything, it makes you, you know, do what you need to do with less. I was watching an interview about Manny Fresh. You know, I'm from New Orleans. I was watching an interview about Manny Fresh, and he was saying that he was using like the MPC, and he only had 8 sounds for the entire beat, bro. And all that old Cash Money shit is fucking legendary, son. It's legendary, son. And he was using 8 sounds for each beat, had 8 tracks on them bitches, and that's it, bro. So just that type of mindset, I like to just limit myself because that makes you be more creative, to think outside of the box. And sometimes having so many options, you know what I'm saying? You see so much stuff, it just kind of could be overwhelming at times. But that's neither here nor there. I'm about to show you how what I did to get here. Okay, appreciate it. Let's roll. Now, first we have our main sample here. Is this the main sample? Yes, no picture, nothing on there. And okay, what I did first here is whatever. Okay, you know why? Because I'm doing the wrong shit up here. So this is what you need to do. Bang. All right. Move this out the way. Okay, move this out the way. Move everything out the way. Bang. Bang. See, and by everything also being so consolidated, you know, it kind of be cramped up, but, you know, pros and cons, man. I can get some shit. I don't know. Add some type of. All right, get that out of here. Get it out of here. All right, bam. So we here still. Okay, and I might just actually leave out of here altogether. Okay, and we're gonna go here, and that's how we're gonna do this. We rolling. Just give me some time. Okay, so right here we have the my original sample, and I put a little EQ on here, and that's the thing. FL Studio, it has a lot of the effects on here. Okay, and I guess I have to get into it right now. I said something about what is missing. The thing that I feel like that is missing is that, you know, FL Studio Mobile don't allow you to use the AUV3s, and you know, I have I got the Fab Filter kit, I got the mix box kit, I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got, like, you know, I can't even think of all the stuff I got, but I have a lot of AUV3s and I can't access them with FL Studio. But at the same time, FL Studio has a lot of great, its own effects is pretty great. Cause as you see, I got a EQ on here, you know what I'm saying, to cut out the lows and kind of boost it, you know, the mids and, you know, the lower highs a little bit. I got a reverb on here as well, and I got a trans delay, okay? And that's, you know, that gives me some sauce. And, like, you know, and that's what I'm saying. Niggas slept on this shit. And it's a real good app. Shout out Quality Sample. I'm gonna keep on making beats, but I'm gonna add FL Studio Mobile to my you know, to the mix because it's hard. But anyway, here we go. As you can see here, I showed you the FX. Yeah, I'm gonna show you see, this is, they got the all right, man. You can see I pitched it down 12, and you know, they got the pan and all that type of stuff. You can reverse, you can sync everything and all that. I didn't sync nothing, I didn't reverse anything, I just pitched it down, okay? I didn't adjust the volume or nothing. That's just what it is right there, okay? So then you got that, and you can come over here. I put a solo this. And this is my other sound I have right here. That's soloed. And this one, what did I do over here? The last one, my last sample was pitched down 12. This one is not pitched at all. Okay, so this is like the regular sample sound. And it sounds like this. I got the EQ. All the lows out, another trans delay, and a Fab Filter again. That gives you all your sauce you need, okay? Okay, move that out the way. And then I got this one right here. And this sample right here is just, no wait, you know what, I'm gonna do this one first. Okay, this sample right here is everything. I think it's stretched. I think I stretched this one out some. Yeah, you see, this one is synced. That's what I did. The other ones are not synced. This one is synced, and it gives me this right here. See, it's just stretched out. Okay. See, when you're sampling, you gotta just do different little things to create different textures and atmospheres of the sounds. Okay, that right there, and I stretched it out, but I also, when I have it stretched out, I have this slide up here, and this right here is just it. Let me see. See, I got it pitched up, but I shrunk, like, instead of stretching it out, I stretched it in, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I sped it up some. So that gave me this right here. And when you play them both together, you get, and when you play them together, it just creates a different sound. Oh shit, it's not playing. I can't play the wrong thing. Okay, my bad. Here we go. So I played the stretched one and the unstretched one together, and this is what we get here. Oh shit, damn. Okay, so this is what we get here. Yeah, so I put them both together, and that created that is giving that sound right there. I kept the sample. I didn't pitch it up with this one right here. I didn't pitch the sample up at all. I just slowed it down. I just stretched it out. You know what I'm saying? For over 8 bars. And then for this one, I stretched it out for over like maybe 2 or 4 bars for the smaller one. And I pitched it up, and you gotta get creative and try different things to, create your own sound, especially when you flipping samples. Okay, so now we about to go to I guess we could go to the 808. We're gonna work with the 808, and it's quite simple, as you can see here. Okay, let me move this around like that. Okay. Real simple. Real simple. And everything is in the key of F as well. And after that, okay, and this is the beat right here. I'll just play the beat real quick. Solo that. And see her. Real simple. Okay. So alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just play the samples, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play like the melody, I guess, and then I'm gonna add the snare, kick, 80. Well, I did the 808s, I showed you the 808s. I'm just gonna do the drums for you basically. So here we go. I'm gonna add everything. See, that's the 808. I mean, that's the hi-hat. Then this right here about to be the snares added. And that's the 808. That's the 808. I did the 808 right there. Open hi-hats. Another open hi-hat. Yeah, man. That's pretty much the beat, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Thank you for 236 subscribers. We moving.